Hey traders, the market is still looking pretty ugly. Let me give you an update on what happened today. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, I have just opened up 5 spots to my private coaching inner circle program that I have. It's by application only. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to, that very first thing in the description right now, go get access to that. That's actually, you get access to the free trading course. But when you get access to the free trading course, the very first video you're going to get, which is the bonus video, is going to walk you through my trading strategy. And also there's an application there as well too. I want you to fill in that application form and then I will personally call you to see if you're a good fit for the coaching program or not. But again, I've opened up 5 spots, guys. So if you want private coaching from me, for the rest of this year to really help you with your trading, click on that very first thing in the description, guys. Go over to the next page, and actually you're gonna go to you're gonna get the free trading course. But the very first video of that course, or the very first video you get, is the training of my trading strategy, so you learn how I trade the markets. But then also, secondly, you get the application form there as well too. So go do that right now, guys. So let's have a look at here on the market itself. So the big thing, what actually happened today is that we actually had a very big strong rally up, and then we had a very big strong rally down, and then we sort of closed even there. But we're starting to see this rolling over effect of what's happening in these markets, and so we're making these highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Right, we're starting to really roll over in this rollover effect in the markets through here. So we're very deep into this, or we're starting this very big downward trend, guys. And I would not want to be trying to fight this market. We may get some short-term rallies out of this level here, but we're still very strong on the downward movement there. If I look at the S&P 500, we actually could see that the S&P 500 is once again definitely sort of now breaking back below these levels, or breaking to these levels through here. So we can see we have a high, a lower high, and now we're actually breaking down from here. And so what we're doing from there is that the market is definitely saying that there's a lot of weakness still in these markets through here at high, lower high. And not only did we actually break past this level through here, right? But we actually broke past this level through here as well too, right? So we actually broke past these 2 key levels in the markets. And now we're actually doing this through here. So I would not be too, we're actually breaking back below, or we're almost at these levels through here. So we're at this level through here. The big major key area is, if we go look at the weekly charts, this is the big key area, right? So right here, right there, this is that big key area. We need to hold this. If there's going to be any bull market out of this level here, we need to hold it and then start to rally strong out of this level. If we don't, and we start to see something like this, then we're probably going to start to see a bit of a rolling over effect. And what's probably going to happen from that, if we get that on the S&P 500, is that we're probably going to get that, and then a move up from there, and then probably a move down like that from there as well too, right? So we can see that that's what's going on from there, and that perspective from there. So really interesting stuff, guys, that's happening with the stock market. And again, that's the very big key that I'm watching for there. If you have a look at the Dow Jones on the weekly charts, we've actually already broken that low. So see how we've actually already broken that low? So the Dow Jones is actually a lot weaker than anything else in the markets as well too. And then, so that's the S&P 500 we walked through. If we have a look at the Nasdaq itself, look at this daily chart. The Nasdaq itself is possibly, well, not possibly, but we can see how the Nasdaq has definitely, this 11,400 level was indeed a strong level of support and resistance, and then we actually broke down from there. And so we can see that that's what's going on from there, guys, from a downward perspective. Again, we want to make sure we're flowing with the markets. And right now we're definitely in a downward movement. And if we have a look at the Russell 2000, you can see how we actually had a lot of resistance around the Russell 2000 level. We had a lot of resistance all through here, a lot of support and breakdown. Now we actually rallied back down to this low level through here. So the Russell is definitely in a downward trend, right? We have this high and we have this lower high, and then we're actually breaking of this low through here as well too, right? High, lower high, and then breaking down past that low. And as you can see, it actually ran down to this low through here. So we, once again, we actually may get a bit of a bounce from here, but it's probably going to create another lower high, and then we're likely to see movement on the downside from there. So there's a quick little update for today, guys, around the actual markets itself. Just make sure you're flowing with the markets and make sure you have a good trading strategy. If you do need help, guys, with having a really good trading strategy that gets over 90% success rate, you want some really good coaching like every single day to really help you move forward, then I want you to apply for my coaching program right now, because this really will help you. I'll show you exactly how I scan the markets on that actual free training. So this is what I want you to do right now, guys. That link in the description there, click on that right now. Go over to the next page, put your email address in to get the free trading course. The very first video you're going to get is going to be a training that's going to teach you about my trading system and how I trade. And also there's an application form there. So we can actually start working together. And again, I'll call you to see if you're a good fit. And in the actual coaching program, if you are losing a lot of money or you're not sure and you just need someone there to help you and guide you through the tough times, especially in these markets, then this is it for you. Again, I've opened up 5 spots only. So click on the link in the description, guys. Go over there. You're gonna get access to the free trading course, and then also you can actually apply for the coaching program. And I will personally call you to see if you're a good fit from that. Have a great day, guys.